Hi boys and girls, here's today's math lesson. We're going to be looking at area. Now area is the total number of square units that cover a figure or a surface. To give you an idea of what I'm talking about, I'm going to walk over to my entryway where there are some tiles. Come with me. Say hi to Sandy. Say hi to Toby. Okay, so here is the front entrance to my house. And I want to buy a rug. And I want that rug to cover the blue area, or the area inside of the blue tape. Now, to buy a rug, I need to know how many square feet of rug I'm going to get. So, if you look down, each one of these tiles is 1 square foot. So in other words, it is 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches. And it's called a square foot. Whenever you're doing area, you're always talking about square somethings. Square units, square feet, square inches, or as you'll see in a few minutes, square centimeters. So, looking at this area here, I see that it is 1, 2, 3 feet on this side, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4 feet on this side. Now, the simplest way to figure out the area when there are these lines is simply to count the squares. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this area within the blue tape is 12 square feet. So I know that I'm going to need to buy a carpet that is 12 square feet. All right, now let's move over to some problems that I'm going to model for you. And I've got Grace, it's going to take over the camera. So, let me draw a rectangle. Everything we're doing today is going to be rectangles. Okay, so here's our first rectangle. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is 1 square centimeter. So each side is 1 centimeter. Okay, so 1, 2. So this side is 2 centimeters. 1, 2, 3. This side is 3 centimeters. Okay, so to figure out the area, as I said before, you can count the squares. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area is equal to 6 square, and you can abbreviate centimeters. Okay, so that's how you figure out area. All right, so let's try another example. Let's make one that. Uh-oh, wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we have another rectangle. This rectangle is 1, 2, 3 centimeters, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters on that side. Okay, now we got a lot of squares here. You could count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 24, or if you noticed, if you look at the two sides, 3 times 8 equals 24. So that is another way to calculate the area of a rectangle. You can only use multiplication on rectangles, but it saves you from a lot of counting. So we know the area is 24 square centimeters. All right, let's do another one. Okay, so here we have a special kind of rectangle. Here we have a square. Now, as you know, if I know the length of one side, I know the length of all the sides. So this square rectangle is 2 by 2. So the area, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 2 times 2 equals 4. So the area is 4 square centimeters. All right. Now, one more example. We'll do it down here. Okay, so this is 1 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeters. So 1 times 10 is 10. So the area is 10 square centimeters. Okay, now that is area. Now what I'm going to do is give you some problems to practice. So what I want you to do right now is you're going to pause the video. Then you are going to figure out the area of these 6 rectangles. You don't need to try to copy them onto a piece of paper, unless you want to, of course. What I want to see is that you are writing down A equals and then your answer. And remember, when you're doing area, it always has to be square somethings. Square inches, square feet, or in the work we're doing here, square centimeters. So go ahead and pause the video. Okay, I'm back. So hopefully you have done these 6 problems, and now I'm going to go over them so that you can check your work. So let's do this one first. So this is 1, 2, 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. So it's 3 by 6. Okay. You could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Or you can multiply 6 times 3, and that equals 18. So your area is 18 square centimeters. Okay, let's go over to this one here. So this one is 2 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. Okay, so 2 times 7 is 14 square centimeters. Okay, moving down to this one here. This is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, well, I figured it out, right? 1 times 8 is 8. So this is 8 square centimeters. All right, let's move over to this square. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I know it's a square. So 3 times 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 centimeters. Oops. 9 square centimeters. Okay, on to this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 4 is 8 square centimeters. Okay. Now, on to the hardest problem of the day. That would be this one here. Okay? So this is 1 by 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 square centimeter. Okay, so there you go. That is our lesson for today.